like these are flying off store shelves as people look for more sustainable ways to feed their families during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The last couple of weeks we've been running out of chickens.
Whitney Young is a manager at IFA in Riverton. She says on a normal day, these cages are full.
No, generally all of them I'm stocked full on chicks.
But over the last few weeks, Young says 1,000 chickens can sell out in a day or even half a day.
Most people wanted to, from what I've noticed, is wanting to get those chicks and raise them so that they become their egg layers and be more self-sufficient rather than having to rely on something that may or may not be permanent.
People worrying that they'll have to be more self-sufficient, with grocery stores running out of food as people stock up to quarantine.
It's been pretty interesting just to see, just kind of because we're trying to help people, so we try and regulate our quantities that we give out just so everybody can have that chance to get their chicks.
Whitney says while this is a good way to get and keep eggs at your house, it's also a lot of work and can be expensive.
To kind of get started with chicks and stuff, you'll have to have a heat lamp, a heat bulb, and then a place to put them in with feed and water. And that takes about 8 weeks before you even put them outside.
It generally takes 16 to 20 weeks for the flock of chickens to produce any eggs and can cost hundreds of dollars to get started. And before you do get started, you'll want to check with your city to see if the ordinances even allow for chicken farming. In Riverton, Lexi Johnson, Fox 13 News, Utah.